Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur part of a picture in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now, choose the photo option. Now choose the photo that you want to edit. Now, at first we'll simply click on cutout option. Now click here to save changes and export this cutout. As you can see, our cutout has been successfully exported. Now go back. Now choose the original photo. And here, click on Effect and select the blur by going to Style and then choose the blur option right here. You can also increase the value of the blur just like this and click here to save changes. Now scroll and click on PIP. Now match the size of the photo and we're done. And just like this, we can blur part of a picture in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.